Data is the backbone of every business, and safeguarding it is critical for continuity and compliance. A data backup ensures that a complete duplicate set of accounting data is safely stored elsewhere. In earlier versions of Tally, backups had to be taken manually, which often led to delays or complete oversight. Given the value of financial data, such lapses could put organizations at serious risk. TallyPrime 7 addresses this challenge with auto backup through TallyDrive, a feature designed to eliminate human dependency and errors, ensuring continuous data protection. Data is backbone of every business. A proper backup protects financial data from loss due to system failure, human error, or unforeseen events. Limitations of manual backups. Manual backups are unreliable. In earlier versions of Tally, users took backups manually. Such backups are often missed or delayed. Automated backup process. Auto backup ensures timely fail-proof data protection, safe, secure, and recoverable. TallyPrime 7 secured backup solution. Auto backup through TallyDrive. TallyPrime 7 removes human dependency by automating the entire backup process through TallyDrive. Full protection, easy recovery, always protected, always recoverable. Organization assured of data recovery of selected past backups whenever needed. Consistent, pre-scheduled, never missing. Consistency without attention. Auto backup ensures strict pre-scheduled automated process for regular periodical backups. Cloud advantage with TallyDrive. Off-site data security. By syncing backups with TallyDrive, businesses gain cloud-based protection along with local backup options. Runs all time in background. 24/7 background backup. Backups continue even when TallyPrime is not running, with no disruption to daily work. Flexible backup destination. Backup data storage, cloud or local. Data may be backed up to cloud-based TallyDrive, local drives, or server network locations. Incremental backup. Quick and small storage space. Incremental, only changes saved. First full data backup. Only subsequently modified and new data backed up, saving time and storage space. Enhanced security. Backup with control and security. Protected backup through password. Restoration only through secured recovery key. Centralized management. Full control and management. Entire backup process controlled through central dashboard. Auto backup through TallyDrive is important data safety features introduced in TallyPrime 7. It ensures business data is protected without requiring manual intervention. Once configured, it automates the entire backup process. The backups run automatically at scheduled intervals even when TallyPrime is not open. This feature allows businesses to remain confident that their accounting data is safe, secure, and always recoverable. Auto backup in TallyPrime 7 through TallyDrive. Key features: scheduled backup. Users can schedule backups on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, ensuring consistency without relying on memory, missing any backup. Benefit: reliable and timely data protection. Runs even when TallyPrime is closed. Backups continue in the background 24 hours, even when Tally software is not running. Benefit: no interruption to daily work or backup process. Flexible backup destination. Backup data can be stored at user-selected media like TallyDrive, cloud, local drive, server network location. Benefit: supports a robust 3-2-1 backup strategy with both on-site and off-site protection. Incremental backups. After the first full backup, only data changes are saved. Further full data backup is eliminated for faster backup, saving backup data space. Benefit: faster backups, compact fully updated data backup in one place, reduced storage usage. Enhanced security controls. Backups can be protected through backup password and data recovery through secured key. Benefit: only authorized users can backup and restore sensitive financial data. Centralized backup management. Backup schedules can be created, edited, paused, or deleted from a single dashboard using the Schedule Backup report. Benefit: complete visibility, control, and audit of the backup process. TallyPrime auto backup process, step by step process of auto backup through TallyPrime 7. Access backup menu, auto backup, step by step working. Navigate through gateway of Tally, Alt plus Y, data. Backup and restore, schedule backup. Select companies and schedule. Decide what and when to backup. Select companies, backup frequency, and preferred backup time. Configure advanced options. Fine-tune the backup process. Enable incremental backup and define the number of restorable versions. Apply security settings. Protect your backup data. Set a backup password. Confirm recovery key email. Initiate immediate backup if required. Monitor backup status. Track and manage backups easily. View schedules and manage cloud backups through TallyDrive management options.